So as you can see, I have already created my background layer and filled it with black. So now go to filters, render, noise, and then select solid noise. Now I'm going to increase the detail. For the size, I'm going to keep it like this. Now if you want another shape here, another seed, just click on new seed. So I'm going to leave it with this one here and now press OK. And now go to filters, blur, and then here zoom motion blur. Now I'm just going to decrease the blurring factor. So I'm going to decrease it to here, -100, and now press OK. And now I'm going to duplicate my layer, so click on this icon. And now go to filters, distort, and then select whirl and pinch. Now I'm going to increase the whirl. So I'm going to increase to around 320. So I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. And now change the layer mode of the top layer here to a light and only. Left click and then select light and only. So as you can see, we are starting to see some of the twisted fibers. And now select the bottom layer, this one here. Go to filters and then just click on ratio whirl and pinch. So we need to use the whirl and pinch again. And now I'm going to move the slider, the whirl slider, in the opposite side. So here like this. So you can still, for example, change the pinch or the radius. So I think I'm going to leave it with these settings here, just press OK. And now I'm going to merge these layers, select the top one, and then click on this icon here to merge down. And now I'm going to add some colors to this image here. So I'm going to add the gradient. So I'm going to click on this icon here, create a new layer, fill it with transparency, and then press OK. Select the gradient tool. Make sure the gradient is FG to BG RGB and the shape is linear. And now I'm going to trace my gradient. And now I'm going to add 3 colors. I'm going to add a color here, the starting point, left click. And now left click on the color. And now I'm going to pick color on the light area here for the red. I'm going to pick this one here. Here's the HTML annotation. And now press OK. And now left click here to add another color. Now I'm going to, so here as you can see, the chain icon here is linked, so it will change the color in the left and right. So left click. Now I'm going to select color on this area. Let's select the pink color. I'm going to select this color here and now press OK. And now I'm going to add the last color. I'm going to left click here and then left click here. And now I'm going to add the darker color. So here, let's select, for example, a purple one. So this one here, here's the HTML annotation and now press OK. And now I'm going to select another tool here to confirm my gradient. And now if you select the gradient tool, so this is our gradient we created. And now I'm going to use it as a gradient map. So I'm going to hide the gradient, select the fibers layer, go to colors, map, and then select gradient map. And now I'm just going to use the curves tool. So go to colors, and then select curves, just to add some contrast to my layer, to my image. So here like this. I'm going to bring this one here a little bit. So I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. And now if you want to change the colors, go to colors. You can either use colorize, this one here, or hue and saturation. So I will go with hue and saturation. And now I'm going to change the hue. You can also change the saturation, the lightness. I'm going to reset. I'm just going to so I think I will go with this one here and now press OK.